All right, then the last step is we need to calculate cost for endings and also calculate the cost for transfer out. Okay, the reason I need to calculate the cost for ending is because this one will carry over to next month. And transfer out is like finished good. We need to calculate the cost of finished good, right? It will be the cost of goods sold. Okay. So first, let's take care of the ending inventory first. Okay, and it will be this one. It will be very similar with the one we use for a weighted average method. We're using the cost per equivalent unit 21 times the beginning, no, the ending inventory. Okay, and then it's the same for conversion cost. Okay, I use the equivalent units, cost per equivalent units times the ending inventory, 30,000 times 40%. Remember, this part is the ending equivalent units for ending inventory. Okay. And now the tricky part is the transfer out account. Okay. For the transfer out account, let me try to do it this way. Okay. Let me try to do this. Okay. The reason I'm doing this because those account are not number. Okay. Are not number account. Okay. If you take a look at the formula here, it doesn't have. It's just an equation. Okay. It's not a number here. Because I want to show you how we get the equivalent unit for each one. Okay, so in order to do the calculation for transfer out, let me do this. Okay, it's better to convert everything into number. Okay, let's see. Let me convert it into number. Let me convert this into number. Let me convert this into number. Let me convert this to number. Alright, okay. This is all numbers. Okay, all the result for this one. Okay, now I can do it. Okay. Oh, you need to know that for transfer out will be equal started and completed one plus the beginning. Okay, just like what you see here. Start and completed will be equal to transfer out minus beginning. All right. So what we do is we try to do this. Okay, beginning sum of this two number. Beginning plus started and completed one and times the cost per equivalent units and click enter. Okay. You should know that this is not yet complete. Okay. The reason why? Because if we talk about transfer out, it should be all finished good. Okay, it should be 100% completed. If we just like take into account the beginnings and started and completed one, it's only partially complete. Okay, this one is only we just take into account the 70% of the beginning inventory. We still missing the 30% carryover from last month. We need to add the carryover. Okay, we need to add the carryover from the beginning. Okay, always remember this. Okay, the reason is this. Okay, because for the FIFO method, we don't calculate. When we calculate the cost per equivalent units, we don't include the beginning, the carryover, the beginning carryover. So we got to do it at the end. Okay, this is the difference between weighted average and and FIFO method. Okay, now we click enter. So, and I'm going to do the same thing for the conversion cost. Okay, so I'm going to sum up this 2 and times equivalent unit, the cost per equivalent unit, and plus the beginning. Okay. Alright, I miss I here. Okay. Now, if we sum up this 2 number, we should get the total. Okay, this one is the total. Alright. It's the final answer for transfer out, and this one is the final answer for ending. Alright. Always remember, when you calculate the cost per equivalent units, we only use the current cost. Right? We only use the current cost. It's not. We do not sum up this 2 number. Okay. We take into account the beginning when we finally calculate the transfer out. Right? And this is all.